Did the head of America's spy agencies suppress information that COVID was actually a lab leak? That's what a bombshell new report in the Wall Street Journal this week alleges. They say our country's Director of National Intelligence silenced info from the FBI and Defense Department that suggested COVID started by leaking from a Chinese lab. In August of 2021, frustrated by China's stonewalling, President Biden ordered his own report of the origins of COVID. That report concluded that COVID had leapt from an animal to a human, but only with, quote, low confidence. New reporting now claims that the people who organized that report kept out evidence that suggested COVID started by leaking from a lab in Wuhan, China. The Wall Street Journal says that 3 scientists from the Defense Department concluded that COVID-19 was the product of a risky research effort at that lab, but because their findings were at odds with the official position of their bosses at the Defense Intelligence Agency, that info was left out of the report for Biden. The exclusion of this info even prompted an investigation by the agency's Inspector General, but the agency refuses to say what the Inspector General found or if the investigation has concluded. But wait, there's more. The Wall Street Journal also reports experts from the FBI, the only government agency to believe COVID came from a lab leak, were kept out of the briefing for Biden as well. Attempts by Congress to figure out the true source of the virus have become mired in partisan infighting, and scientists say the longer we wait, the harder it will be to determine its true source. Washington, D.C., hard at work, ladies and gentlemen.